Abusuafo mu bibi akwa baba so Jaman Skefie so ena so Jaman TV so pomoden na subscribe to channel no like video no na share said be ya wonu bi enso nsa beka video no bi na nyina etimi e de abom. Yes, ena Monday ni ehwe de offer Monday special. Ehwe setup we transfer from Lucky Tuesday event number 231 so ato 6 ewa ha. Owe epe no beto 4783 and was 740 wa machine. We are no my 35. We are 1, 2, 3. Oba betwa 7423. Center and fourth. No the about 87. Na 40 we na besi. Nti we dia ose yemfa event enkodi. Yemfa event enkodi. Good. Now our event so me pese yi 79 80 12 79 80 12 e wo so. Good. Yemfa current next. Over current na we say event number 980 about 206 no e wo hode amaye we are no betwa 4783 no asewo 40 no e wo machine. Good. We pe no abeme 35 35 e de abeshe 83 na ase e wo ho. Nti 1 2 3 no about 74 center 23 fourth na ode abo 87 na 40 no wasay no edena besi machine center box. Nti we dia wase yemfa event enkodi. Yemfa event no enkodi. Good. Never your second setup on sorry. And also air transfer from international. Yes. Anyway. And also about event number 961 bonso abeto 36 3 no asewo 80 ewo machine. We are 1 2 3 4 no abeto 35 no asewo 45. We are double 5 the 35 no was center. We are double 5 fourth box no asewo 29. We are 54 last box no asewo 64. Into we dia sa double 5 yi wasi enyinemla yi na ba dia e de ne kutwa 86 e de ne kutwa 86 ewo ho $2 8655 no into pay me event no 8655 and so e was so etwa and also back current na same and no abehye no e wa ha e de amaye. Good. Into we event number 979 bonso ato 336 into 1 2 3 4 no about 35 center box. We are okay 35 no asewo 45 our machine. We are 55 no asewo fourth box no asewo 29 our machine. We are no my 54 last box na asewo 64 and so our machine. Nti we dia wase yemfa event no enkodi. Yemfa event no enkodi. Free ewo no so. Good. Nti say ne benya for the full game no this two event no ye kambo ma say ne ba benya ne abeyi best 5 ne ye best 3 ne akofo ye $2 80 12 ne akofo free banker 12 free banker for Monday special. Yes, now pese me try game nso ma wa file list no if I send me on WhatsApp 0593673300 and also betim dey send Mr. Foster 0246898449 na ebehwe atwa ma yebesa acha 30% commission for Monday special. Nti blafie ne anya adwuma wudin so entempa na so onsa ebeka usika na odi adi gudwuma kama na menka ho o men kwatintia ho de wum. Bye bye.